Hi, I'm Kaitlyn and I am a registered massage therapist at Proactive Pelvic Health. Today I wanted to review 3 stretches that you can do following either bottle feeding or breastfeeding. If you're feeling some added tension in through your neck, we're going to try to help open up your chest area and help to try to improve the range of motion in through your spine and rib cage. The first stretch that I'm going to be showing you today is for your neck. So we're going to try to help to lengthen the muscles on either side of our neck by using this stretch. So what we are going to do is you're going to try to bring your ear down towards your shoulder, just like that. And if you feel like you need to add a little bit more of a stretch, you can put your hand on the top of your head and just try to lengthen that a little bit more. We should be feeling a nice stretch in through this side right here. Good. And coming back up to the middle, switching and going to the other side again, bringing that ear down to your shoulder, feeling that nice stretch along the side of your neck. And if you want to add just a little bit of an extra stretch, applying your hand to the top of your head and just applying a gentle stretch, pulling it down. And you're going to hold this stretch for 20 seconds. Good. And coming back up to the middle. The next stretch that I'm going to be showing you is just to help to open up your chest region. So these muscles in through this area here. So what you're going to do is you're going to bring your arms to the middle, keeping your elbows bent. You're going to draw your arms out to the side, bringing your elbows just down toward the ground and slightly back a little bit, and keeping your head up nice and tall. And you should be feeling a stretch in through this area right through here. So you're going to hold this stretch for 20 seconds. And once you're done, you're going to bring your arms just right back to the middle and down. And our final stretch that we'll be reviewing today is called the bow and arrow stretch. So what that's going to do is just going to help getting our spine moving and helping to continue to allow our rib cage to move. So what we're going to do is sitting up nice and tall. We're going to start with your arms out in front of you, nice and straight. And you're going to start by taking one arm back, bending that elbow, and reaching back toward you. You're going to look back toward that arm, and you're going to feel that nice stretch in and around your rib cage. And bringing those hands back to center. I'll go to the side just so that you can see me here. And we're going to bring that arm back, looking back to that side, and coming back forward. We're going to repeat this 5 times on each side. Good. 4. And 5. I'll come back and we'll do this side. Feeling that rotation in through the rib cage, in through our backs as we're moving deeper into that stretch with each time. And one last time. In order to try to maximize the benefits of these stretches and exercises that we had just gone through throughout this video, these stretches can be completed on a daily basis and can be completed as often as following each one of the baby's feeds.